if a driver's information is not returning from a DMV check, is that reasonable suspicion to stop the vehicle? Hey guys, my name is Anthony Bandiero, attorney and senior legal instructor with Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you a roadside chat. All right, so the question comes from an officer in Las Vegas. I found myself in a situation yesterday and did not act on it because did not know what to do. But let's go through it and see what the officer may have been able to do. Ran a routine check on a license plate. The DMV returned that the plate was active, but the driver information was highly redacted, and redacted meaning just missing, all except a name. The name was very unique. The officer ran the name separately through the DMV database, and it came back. It was able to come back, but it basically showed no license information, right? And let's just presume that maybe the person applied for a license and didn't get it. Maybe they had something in the past. But again, no driver's license number, right? Would this be grounds to investigate a suspicious circumstance that a crime is being committed, meaning no driver's license? So the answer is probably, I think the stop is going to be okay, right? But let's walk through the legal standard here. So first of all, what is reasonable suspicion? Reasonable suspicion requires a moderate chance of criminal activity. Moderate chance, certainly less than probable cause, right? And probable cause is around the 50% mark of burden of proof. So it's definitely lower than that, but it's above a hunch. A hunch is basically, the way we look at hunches is they are unparticularized, right? It's those, something's up here, I just can't put my finger on it. So do we have more than a hunch, but less than probable cause? I think the answer is yes. Look, so it's kind of adding up here. We have a plate with a person's name with no information, right? That's very odd. I mean, I've worked in Nevada. DMV is pretty good about giving you the information. So we have a name with no information. We run that unique name, and I would like to know, do not tell me what the name is, and they shouldn't, but if I saw that name, I mean, I want to know that it's pretty unique. We run that name, and that name has no information associated with a driver's license. So based on totality of circumstances, is there a moderate chance that that person that has no license is the person driving that car? I think the answer is yes. Another case that backs us up is Glover, either Kansas versus Glover or Glover versus Kansas. But is, the Glover case, right? Where the U.S. Supreme Court, it helps. It's not exactly the same fact pattern, but an officer in Kansas ran a plate. The license, the registered owner came back with a suspended license or revoked, whatever it was. The officer, without seeing the person, right, because it's at nighttime, can't really see inside the truck, stopped him. It was the driver. The driver was the RO, and made an arrest based off of no license. And, is there a moderate chance that the person driving that vehicle is the registered owner? And the answer was yes. So the stop was good. I think that kind of helps discuss this, even though we don't have a solid connection. It's tenuous, but I think it's good enough for government work, as they would say. All right. Hope it helps. And keep the questions coming before you guys leave. If you can share these videos with other people, it really help us out at the channel. All right. Thanks, guys.